Yeah. You want your insta heal?
Wow, I just saw, like, the Dead by Daylight version of a drug deal. Dude, everyone's playing Dead by Daylight now. What the heck's happening?
Hello?
Stranger Things.
Ooh.
Everything's forward.
Which, I have not gone against the Demogorgon yet. Like...
He's so cute.
He's not. He's scary.
Hello, Fang.
Just gotta like put your hand out, stick it right in his fucking mouth.
Oh, stinky.
Oh, it's the nurse.
I
hey,
see.
what up, girl?
Can I get a Demogorgon killer, please? Ooh, if we do a kill your friends thing, I know Casual has the Demogorgon, right? Or he has the Stranger Things chapter.
I have the Demogorgon.
We could do a kill your friends thing too.
Yeah, I'ma die.
Casual, I don't know if you can hear me, but if you can hear me, would you want to do a Survivor Friends?
If you guys want to get gens done, this nurse is on my ass.
Yeah, I'm working on one. I'm glad she went after you, because me and you were right next to each other. And I was like, oh shit.
Nia, help me. She tunneling! Wait, hold on.
Is she picking you up? No?
Wait, she kinda bad. I'm just worse.
That's a mood.
Oh! I'm gonna crawl to this pallet.
Uh-oh.
Down on the ground.
Oh, I shouldn't have Kindred on. I'm stupid. I promise I'll be over there as soon as I finish this gen.
I'm halfway done.
I'm a little more than half. I'm like 10 seconds away. 8, 7,
Damn.
no, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Towel's closer, so I'm gonna go for towel first.
No, grab sounds first.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Get her, let me die.
Oh,
no,
fuck.
Oh.
I hope you have decisive.
Wait, farm me, I have decisive.
You said,
Farm me,
don't go for you.
Farm me.
Hit me. Okay.
Go get him. Yo, she's gonna like not pick me up.
Fuck! Shit.
Didn't even get to use my decisive.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Damn, he's in a struggle phase.
Wait, hold on. Watch this shit.
She's not picking you
come
up.
back! Take me out! Man,
She's not picking you up.
Actually, such a dumb cut.
Yes! Uh-oh.
Go. Oh my god. I'm gonna go hide real quick. 8, oh, shit.
Hey. Put me down right now.
Heal up, Nia. No! Stop! You can't like... Wait.
Here we go.
No, let's all heal back here.
Yeah.
She's coming back.
Oh no! She didn't hit me.
No, she's after me.
That was a move.
She has
Oh! Girl. Alright, she's bad at blinking. If that helps.
Is she coming back?
Nurse is falling.
Yeah, but I got you! So that's all that matters.
I don't know what she...
I think she's still after me. She has to be.
Yeah,
she's still after me.
I was like, she could have gotten us easy by that. Like, she was right next to us.
Do you have your caution?
Wait, isn't it? Did I press the wrong? It's R, right? Oh my god, we. That was so in sync.
She's on me.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try and get some stuff done.
Go on into murder right now. Still don't want to jinx it, but haven't been touched by her, so I'm gonna try to keep that.
Mm-hmm. Get that unbroken.
Where is she? I hear her. Oh fuck.
There she is.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yo, she's like not good at this blinking thing.
Crap.
She's definitely tunneling towel though.
Huh.
Oh well.
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
She went all the way to the basement for that?
No, I was looping her around there.
Oh, okay. I was like, damn, the extra.
Oh, that's my bad.
Sounds. 5 sounds.
Which one is the help with the
She's over that
Right
way. Yeah. I ain't scared of no nurse.
She's a rank
Me,
19.
10 seconds later.
On my butt.
All right, next gen. Where is it? Where we going? Oh, over there.
I like that call out.
Over there. I would have pointed, but I was already running.
Bring her to not
Preschool.
Oh my god, those crows scared me. Oh, is that a gate? Oh, there's a gate right there. Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Fuck. Damn,
Oh, fucking.
that was too much to ask for, huh?
Are you
Uh-oh.
coming down here? Don't come up that. Hi. Hey, Julie, thanks.
My bad. I don't have telepathy. I don't know where you are. Ah, shit, that was bad. Come get me, nurse. I dare you.
Opening the door. School.
That was a move.
Oh, she coming for you.
Remove.
Me.
That was way too close. I'm not okay with that.
Oh no! How do I get to it? Oh, right here. Wow. Holy shit. I was not expecting to stay up.
I want to see Demogorgon on this map.
Give me Demogorgon. Well, we're off to. Nope, it's a trapper.
I'm so
GG,
fast.
easy. Hey, Chris.
Hi, I should probably not be on my phone while we're playing a game.
I have her streamed open so I can see where she is.
Same.
Wow, you like stream sniping?
It's free
Oh.
bond.
You're right.
Also stream snipe you. So we're all doing it.
Yo, what up, fam? Hi, Nish. How are you doing? Nish, are you gonna
Good.
tune in for the spooky stories later, or what?
But then again, I have to.
Oh,
because
he's
it's my
over there.
responsibility as a moderator to you, Julie.
Hmm.
Where are any?
This ain't
Oh, I can do one of
cool.
those street gens, I guess. Where are they?
Please,
Wait, is there
sir.
no street gen? Oh yeah, there is. I was like, is there no street gen? Honestly, feeling like shit. Uh-oh. Are you sick?
Oh no, I trapped myself.
How come everyone's getting sick?
I don't know, but I'm not in the mood.
Not having it? Not today? Oh,
Who is
just
it, by
life.
the way?
Life sucks. Okay. That happens too.
Owl, who is it, by the way?
Trapper.
Is anybody close to her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoever's in the basement is the closest.
Okay. I'm working
It's
on
putting
a
a
gen.
trap in front of me.
I'm on a gen by the, like, on the sidewalk, so.
The sounds is coming from me.
Okay. Nish, why does life suck? I mean, like, same, but, you know.
He has a trap in front of me. Yeah, just look at it.
Whoa, wait, what the frick was that? Did y'all see that? Holy shit.
But
It looked like my generator repair bar went all the way to the end and then went back down.
oh my gosh.
I was super confused. I was like, okay, I guess I'm done.
It's fucking body blocking me.
Oh, okay.
Generator done.
Oh my gosh, no! You know my tactic before I even knew my tactic.
Oh fuck, he saw me. Ha!
You're
Take
screwed.
this screams.
Fucking, I tried a 360. My dumbass. I can kite him away. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I don't know what anything is on this map. Oh, fuck you.
Sounds.
I'm getting those great skill checks. I love that. I feel good about this one.
I thought you were gonna kill me.
Yeah, I know that's fine for.
I heard you scream and then I heard Fang Min scream in the game, like right after. It was like a good echo. Are you on the
See if I
roof?
can body block the front door.
Oh,
Oh my god!
my god.
Peyton, thank you so much for the subscription. Thank you. That actually scared me.
Lucky.
Thank you for that. I was supposed to give you shit from Adrian. He told me to give you shit for lurking, but now I can't because you've given me a subscription. And now I have to update my stream info. Don't come over here, boy. Don't come over here, boy.
Whoever started the upstairs generator in the house.
What?
I think it's it.
Adrian, suck my dick. Is that what Peyton said? That's a mood.
That's Adrian? Wait. Oh. Okay. Never mind. Confused.
I'm coming, Dad.
Yep.
I'm coming, Dad.
I'm right here, but I think he's...
Oh, he fucking. You fucking. Wait, I'm just kidding.
Oh no, wait, am I getting farmed?
Yeah.
Just run. I'll take a hit. I don't think I needed to do that, but I did it anyway.
Oh, he's still coming for me.
He still is? Oh, yikes.
Yeah.
Oh, yikes. I hear a generator. I hear one.
I'm almost done with it, but I think he's coming forward.
I hear the generator, like, off and on. Oh, it was up there.
Oh my god, I body blocked myself. I am going to actually.
He yells from across the apartment.
Oh, you used that power earlier, that's right.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh fuck.
Crap out of me, to be honest, but.
I don't know where another generator is.
Oh,
It's okay, just do gyms.
Oh, I did the one in
No.
this house, so.
I love you.
Oh, stop using the L word so frivolously.
I like you.
Oh, that one
Man,
too.
you fucking. Oh shit. Hey, what up?
up, it's your boy Skinny Penis.
He's just looking at me like, you dumbass.
We farming? Is there a trap near here?
I have no idea.
Well, I didn't see one.
Dude, yank me out.
Oh, he didn't pick up towel.
He can't. He keeps putting the trap on me.
I was just in this house. I'm dumb.
I guess he's going for the unhook.
Putting a trap right next to the vault.
Oh
I
my
just
gosh.
got farmed.
Towel, I know where I'm behind you, so wherever you want to go, I'll heal you.
Alright.
You pick a spot, BB.
Like right here under this bright lamp.
That's fine. I don't know where there's another generator.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
why am I going up?
Oh, isn't there one
There's
that's like
right here.
downstairs somewhere too? Usually? I
Finish
don't know where
it.
that really is.
I follow you.
You follow me? I don't know where I'm going.
I follow you.
Oh.
Of course, I'm right next to a hook.
Alright. Well, I did find
I
one.
follow you.
Oh. Alright, we double teaming.
I really appreciate it. But he didn't make fun of me. What?
Wait, what?
Guess
Uh-oh.
I didn't struggle good enough. I don't know.
Steve has no willpower.
He coming, he coming,
Oh
he
my
coming,
god, oh my
he
god.
coming.
Oh, fuck!
Bro, he's coming. Oh, he coming.
Oh, there's a generator! Oh my god.
I'm hurt.
Where's the next generator? Oh my god, can people stop getting arrested so I can find another generator? Oh my god.
Are you in Irvine?
Yeah, I'm in Irvine right now.
How the fuck are people getting arrested in Irvine?
Honestly, that sounded like a fire truck.
Yeah, I was about to say, that wasn't an arrest, that was
Ow,
an
ow,
emergency.
ow, ow.
Oh.
Nobody dies in Irvine. They're all rich. They can afford personal doctors.
You right? It was a fire truck. Thank you,
You
Peyton.
good.
Yo, where's the other generator?
More like a fire fuck, am I right?
What?
I don't know.
Beep, beep, beep.
I don't think I've been hooked, so, you know, work on a generator.
Touch your butt. Oh, we found a gen. This was the gen I started when I got into the game, and then he fucked me up.
Oh, there's one down here. I found the one that's usually downstairs. Oh my god! There was a trap and I missed it? Oh! He fell in his own trap!
Julie?
Yeah. Damn, this is a chase if I've ever been on one. Oh my god, he's gonna be...
The killer's name that. Oh my
He's
god.
gonna be so mad at me.
Chopper, why you gotta be so mature like that?
Popping in now.
Oh, now would be a great time for me to have adrenaline. I think he's gonna get me here.
Oh, he come in. That boy come in.
No.
I think he's mad at me.
Oh.
He might camp me, not gonna lie. Okay, no.
Don't put the door if he starts picking you up.
It's okay. If he camps me, I have decisive strike, so somebody can still unhook me.
I have it open.
Oh no, he's not. That's good because I was. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon.
Oh.
I was giving him a real loop there, a real bad pallet. Like,
Coming.
Yeah, I get it.
I can't. You're right in front of me. You get her.
How much bro. Oh. Get her now. Get her now. Get by her.
Oh, I ain't.
You're by the gate?
Yeah.
Yeah, check him out. Here, kill me.
Oh, he's coming that way. He's coming that way.
Oh, okay. Well.
We sweaty, boys.
Okay.
Alright.
We both
Oh.
go. One of us gets there, one of us gets there.
I can get hit. I have decisive. Wait, that didn't make sense.
It doesn't matter if we get hit, we should all get out of there.
Uh-oh.
It's fine. You go for it, I get hit. Yeah.
Go.
And then you take a hit for her. Yeah.
Let's go, boy.
Guys, are you gonna make it?
I don't know if I'll make it. But I have decisive, so it's okay. I have decisive.
Yeah.
He just needs to pick me up.
Alright, we get out.
Whoa.
Do we ever really know if we'll ever make it?
Yeah, we gotta go, so hopefully you hit it.
If he picks me up in the next 30 seconds. Or if he loses me, I guess. Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta crawl like that.
Good job. You're out. 5 seconds done.
Yes, we did it! Woo! That's how you use decisive. Hello, friends. I'm getting McDonald's. Ooh. All right. You sharing or what? So first we get the
That's the
McDonald's,
real
then we go to
question,
Tal's house to get the
Eliza.
pho, and then we call it a
You
night.
bringing me Happy Meals? You get everything you want.
I want to make you happy.
Not in.
I'm like I'm
Okay,
getting
not
on a plane
anything.
to go to California right now.
You ain't getting this body. You can look, no touch.
You can
Look
look.
and look.
Alright, you can look at me in a turtleneck.
Oh, there's a key here. Oh, it's green. Never mind. Nobody
It's
wants
another spirit. Oh,
What's my
one.
order? My order is a chicken nugget. Just one. I'm on a diet.
I found haunted ground.
Pop it, you want it. I'm Nancy. I need to pop that. I need to
It could be ruin. She's got ruin.
Oh, well. This can either be haunted ground or ruin.
I hope it's the best
Either
one.
way, we're about to get fucked.
Actually,
She's
I'm
right.
hopping on a plane to California right now so I can have a chicken nugget.
Hey, it was haunted ground. Why are you following me?
Because I trust you.
Why are you following me?
No.
I ain't following you.
I'm by you guys.
I ran past you.
We gotta find another.
Look, we Asians gotta stick together. Oh, get it.
Did you find it?
She found it.
Uh-oh, she's over there on our jet, on our other gen.
If she comes over here, I'll kite her.
Bruh.
A haunted ground spirit.
Yeah, shut up. With the fucking ultra rare.
Yeah.
I don't know what.
We probably can't hear her while she's phasing.
Oh, that might be it, yeah. Expose is almost out.
Just gotta stay the fuck away.
I popped up.
Oh my god. Oh my god, if somebody can clip that. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm going for the gen that you were just on. I was so nervous she was gonna run into me, plus the exposed thing was still on. Holy shit.
We about to pop
Uh-oh.
Why is it? What about my nug? Huh?
Yeah, what about... It's a communal nug. We all gotta share.
What? I wondered that.
Hey, there's a totem over here.
I already got it.
Oh.
She didn't even know where I was. I didn't have to do that.
I can't block you in from here.
Hey, Julie.
Yeah,
You
don't
want
be here. No. She's around. I'm giving her a chase.
I guess I can.
I'll be here. She's around. I'm giving her chase. She says.
Let's gen rush. Oh shit, I ran into a wall. My
Oh.
dumbass.
I guess I didn't need to do that.
Why are we running this?
Jen. We find Jen.
Inside the map.
Jen.
Inside the building, the big
No,
building.
palace.
Oh, you went inside the building? Let's go inside the building.
What? There's a gen right
The
here.
big.
But we can help him.
Oh, but she's here.
Yeah.
They can help me.
Oh, it's
I
already
hear a generator. Is somebody working on one inside? Oh.
Me and Cal.
Yo,
Oh.
take it.
Oh. Okay.
Like,
Towel, the one that we were working on is...
Yeah, I'm back on it.
Okay.
Why are you running?
Why are you running? Man, that was such good luck to go find Ruin.
Almost didn't make that. Oh, that was close.
I've been fighting her. Just get stuff done.
Okay, let me know when you lose her.
Use spirit.
The gen we were on is almost done.
Okay. I'm working on one... I don't even know where it is. DBD. Yes, El Ray, it's DBD time. We DBDing.
She coming for me! Why are you here?
Only place I could do.
I don't think she's chasing you anymore, sounds.
No,
if you want to
she's
help me with
not.
this gen, I'm over here.
She's looking for me.
Come on, then, generator by the door.
I'm being a bush.
Uh-oh. She sees me.
Oh, back on me.
Okay.
Alright, well don't come back to that gen because it's almost done. Oh my god.
Oh, Ray, how was your Monday? How are you? How you doing?
Not on me anymore.
Is you okay?
She's...
With that
Damn
box
it!
right now?
She got me. That gen's almost good, too, if somebody
I
wants to
know,
work
my
on
gen's
it.
almost done too.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh snap. Yeah.
She's gonna put you in the hill.
Maybe? Yes.
Oh crap.
Alright, we gotta
We got the good emotes now too. Oh yeah, so you are a VIP. Remind me, I don't know. I need to update my Discord like things too, because I haven't really been updating those, but yes, you are a VIP. I figure you've earned it, like you've done a lot for
I
this
might
channel.
be farming you. Hold on.
That's okay.
I think she's coming over here.
Oh wow,
Oh,
we're finished? I have decisive, it's fine.
Hitting the
Oh,
door.
she has no ed.
Wow, no, she had 3 hex
She's not
perks?
picking me up. She's not picking me up. Alright, she is now. Wait, nope, she's not. Bitch, I swear to God, just pick me up!
Now she is.
Alright, she got me, she got me, she got me.
Uh-oh.
Your life gate's so far.
Yeah, that is really far.
I'm gonna open both.
Just get out. I'm good. I'm okay.
I'm
No,
not
I'm good.
leaving your ass behind.
You stay on that hook. No attempting.
She's far. She's camping me. Don't look at me.
Why was she
They don't
camping you and then not me though?
She's still camping me.
Maybe I'll get lucky and find the hex again.
She's only camping me because she hasn't gotten a kill. She's literally face camping me. This ain't okay.
And
Okay,
she's
we
got
found
her. Open.
Noed. I want to look for Noed.
I'm looking
Both
for
doors are open.
Literally just running circles around me.
I
Are you
found
serious?
Noed. I found Noed.
You found
It's
Noed?
right by the house.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna get her off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep close
She's
behind
just face
since I haven't
camping me.
Here, it's
Taking
fine.
a hit. I haven't taken a hit yet, so.
She's not leaving.
That's fine.
We're both here. We're all here.
Three or three.
Hit me. Hit me! She knows not to hit me.
Pull her off. Yeah, pull her off. Someone pull her off.
Because she knows if... Fuck.
Die.
Alright, fuck it. Oh. Okay, bitch.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm following you. Where's the gate?
Both are open, so just find one.
I need
Oh,
to
I'm
make
following
sure
you,
she's
so.
okay.
Oh,
Are
I
you
see
good?
one.
I forgot. I don't know your name.
I think she's following me.
Fine?
No,
Oh,
no,
she's
you're
not here, sir?
both of you.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
Yeah, I'm at the gate. I'm good.
Is she
I'm at the
good?
gate as well. Or I'm at a different
Going,
one.
going.
But I'm gonna just heal myself, get some points.
Yeah, me too.
Should have done that. That was smart. But oh well.
You want the hatch?
Actually, I don't know where. It's not where I thought it was.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come back.
Yeah.
How did I not pip? Oh my gosh. That didn't get hooked? Is that why?
Okay. No, I think that works in your favor if you don't get hooked.
Yeah, if you don't get hooked, it does better.
Oh, I got an unforgettable getaway achievement.
Did you get a pip or no?
I think I did!
Oh, her ultra rare is not even that good.
I just barely pipped.
Oh, are we gonna have too many people?
Uh-oh! Siri, no! No!
Too many people.
Do you hear her? She's going off.